Right, well, I've been welding, and it ain't easy because I'm in such a bloody awkward position. So I don't know if you can see, we're having to weld this seam up here, which means getting in with the, where's my finger, getting in behind. So I think all we can do realistically, is it hot? It is getting filled, but I think all we can do is build up a layer there, right in the corner. I know this doesn't make sense. Build up a bloody layer and then fill it. I don't know what else we can do there. However, I'm a little bit more pleased with my progress on this side. So this is my first time MIG welding, and it's not easy. You're stitching it together. So I've stitched it. I'm going to cut a piece out here and a little piece there, just to patch that. Yeah, I've just taken a load of the old stuff out because it was absolutely knackered. So anyway, that's my day's work. I am getting a little bit better. It's just patience. Oh, fuck.